Hello, my name is Praveen Kumar and today we are going to discuss about trigonometry up to class 10. Basically, trigonometry derived from Greek word tri, go, and metro. Tri means 3, bones means sides, and meter means measurement. So in fact, trigonometry is study of relationship between the sides and angle of a triangle. Or we can say trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of angles and problem allied with angles. But this is a right angle triangle ABC. Theta is 90-degree angle where one angle is 90 degree and angle CAB and angle ACB are acute angles. So we define trigonometric ratios. First, sine of angle A equal to sine theta equal to side opposite to angle A upon hypotenuse equal to BC upon AC. Again cos A equal to AB upon AC and tan A equal to BC upon AB. Cosec A equal to AC upon BC. Sec A equal to AC upon AB and cot A equal to AB upon BC. Now relationship between trigonometric ratios. We can see sin A equal to BC upon AC and cos A equal to AB upon AC. Then sin A upon cos A equal to BC upon AC upon AB upon AC equal to BC upon AB and BC upon AB equal to tan A. So we can deduce the result that sin A upon cos A equal to tan A. In the same way, cot A equal to cos A upon sin A. And third, tan A into cot A equal to, and as given, sin A equal to BC by AC and cosec A equal to AC by BC. So sin A equal to 1 upon cosec A. In the same way, cos A equal to 1 upon sec A, tan A equal to 1 upon cot A. Now we come to a problem given that if sin A equal to 3 by 4, then find other trigonometric ratios. First we draw a right angle triangle ABC where angle B is 90 degree. Given sin A equal to 3 upon 4 and sin A equal to BC upon AC. So BC equal to 3 and AC equal to 4 because triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So 4 square equal to 3 square plus AB square. So AB square equal to 16 minus 9 equal to 7. So AB equal to under root 7. Now cos theta, cos A equal to AB by AC, where AB equal to root 7 and AC equal to 4. So cos A equal to under root 7 upon 4 and tan A equal to sin A upon cos A is equal to 3 upon 4 upon under root 7 upon 4 equal to 3 upon under root 7. Cosec A equal to 1 upon sin A equal to 4 upon 3. Sec A equal to 1 upon cos A equal to 4 upon under root, and cot A equal to 1 upon tan A equal to under root 7 upon. Next problem, given 3 tan theta equal to 4, then find 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta upon 3 sin theta minus 2 cos. यहाँ पर हम देख रहे हैं कि 3 tan theta equal to 4, so tan theta equal to 4 upon, now 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta upon 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta be divided by cos theta. So we got 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta upon sin theta upon 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta upon sin theta. This equal to 3 plus 2 tan theta upon 3 minus 2 cot theta. Now we know tan theta equal to 4 upon 3 and cot theta equal to 3 upon. This become 3 plus 8 upon 3 minus 6 upon 4 or 17 upon 3 upon 3 upon 2 or 34 upon 9. Now we introduce trigonometric ratios of some particular angles. Ratio of 45-degree angle. First we draw a triangle with two equal sides such that AB equal to BC. So this is a isosceles right angle triangle. So one angle is 90-degree and other two angles are 45 and 45 degree. Now angle BAC, we consider angle BAC. So sine of angle BAC or sine of angle A equal to BC upon AC. Now let AB equal to BC equal to A. Then AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. A square plus A square, C square equal to 2A square. AC equal to under root 2A. So sin A equal to BC by AC equal to 1 upon under root. In same way, cos A equal to AB by AC. A upon under root 2A equal to 1 upon under root 2. And tan A equal to sin A upon cos A. So tan 45 equal to 1 upon under root 2 upon 1 upon under root 2 equal to 1. So sin A sin 45 degree equal to 1 upon under root 2 and cos 45 degree equal to 1 upon under root 2 and tan 45 degree equal to 1. Now trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. First we draw a triangle. First we draw a isosceles triangle, a equilateral triangle A, B, C. We draw a equilateral triangle. Then from point A, draw a perpendicular on BC. Let sides of this triangle each A. Then AB equal to AC equal to BC equal to A and BD equal to A by 2 and DC equal to A by. So angle A, angle B and angle C all are 60 degree and angle BAD is 30 degree and angle CAD is also 30 degree. Now let me first calculate side AD, because in triangle ABD AB equal to A and BD equal to A by 2. So AB square equal to BD square plus AD square. So A square equal to A by 2 whole square plus AD square. AD square equal to A square minus A square by 4 equal to 3A square by 4. So AD equal to under root 3A upon 2. Now in triangle ABD, sin ABD equal to sin 60 degree and the sin 60 equal to AD upon AB. And AD equal to under root 3A upon 2 and AB equal to A equal to under root 3 upon again cos ABD equal to cos 60 equal to BD by AB equal to A by 2 upon A equal to 1 upon 2. Tan 60 equal to sin 60 upon cos 60 equal to under root 3 upon 2 upon 1 upon 2 equal to under root. Now we can see angle BAD is 30 degree. Angle BAC is 30 degree. The sine of angle BAC equal to sine 30 degree equal to BD upon AB equal to A by 2 upon A So this equal to 1 by 2, and cos of BAC equal to cos 30 degree equal to AD upon AB equal to under root 3 A upon 2 upon A equal to under root 3 upon 2. Next, tan 30 degree equal to sin 30 upon cos 30 equal to 1 upon 2 upon under root 3 upon 2 equal to 1 upon under root 3. So in this way we got trigonometric ratio of 30 degree and 60 degree. Trigonometric ratio of 0 degree and 90 degree. Again we draw a right angle triangle ABC. Now we know sin A equal to BC by AC. Again when angle A approach to 0, then BC also approaches to 0. So sine of 0 degree equal to 0. Cos A equal to AB by AC. And when angle A approaches to 0, then AB becomes equal to AC. So cos 0 equal to 1. Now tan 0 equal to sin 0 upon cos 0. So 0 upon 1 equal to 0. Now for 90 degree. Again sin A equal to BC by AC, and when angle A become 90 degree, then BC equal to AC. So sin 90 equal to 1. Cos A equal to AB upon AC. AB upon AC. When angle A become 90 degree, then cos 90 equal to 0, and tan 90 equal to sin 90 upon cos 90 equal to 1 upon 0 or undefined. Now we draw trigonometric table of some particular T ratio. Sin A, cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec A and cot A. Sin 0 0, sin 30 1 upon 2, sin 45 1 upon under root 2, sin 60 under root 3 upon 2, and sin 90 1. Cos 0 1, cos 30 under root 3 upon 2, cos 45 1 upon under root 2, cos 60 1 upon 2, and cos 90 0. Tan 0 0, tan 30 1 upon under root 3, tan 45 1, tan 60 under root 3, and tan 90 not defined. Cos 0 not defined, sorry, cosec 0 not defined, cosec 32, cosec 45 under root 2, cosec 62 upon under root 3, and cosec 90 1. Sec 0 1, sec 30 2 upon under root 3, sec 45 under root 2, sec 60 2, and sec 90 non-defined. cot 0 not defined, cot 30 root 3, cot 45 1, cot 61 upon under root 3, and cot 90. There is another way to learn this table. We have to learn only sine of angles. So sine A, given sine A equal to 0, sine 31 by 2, sine 45 1 upon root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, sine 90 1. For cos A, we reverse the table. Cos 90 equal to 0, cos 60 equal to 1 upon 2, cos 45 1 upon root 2, cos 30 under root 3 upon 2, and cos 0 equal to 1. And we know tan A equal to sin A upon cos A. So tan 0 equal to 0 upon 1 equal to 0, tan 30 equal to sin 30 upon cos 30 equal to 1 upon under root 3, tan 45 equal to 1 upon root 2 upon 1 upon root 2, we got 1, tan 60 equal to 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2 equal to root 3, and tan 90 equal to 1 upon 0, so it is not defined. So we can easily learn the table, just we know the sine of angles. Now we come to cosec A. As we know, cosec A equal to 1 upon sine A. Sine 0 equal to 1 upon 0, not defined. Cosec 30 equal to 1 upon sine 30 equal to 2. Cosec 45 1 upon sine 45 root 2. Cosec 60 1 upon sine 60. Cosec 90 1 upon sine 90 equal to 1. We come to sec A. Sec A equal to 1 upon cos A. 1 upon 1 1. 1 upon root 3 by 2. 2 upon root 3. 1 upon under root 2. 1 upon 1 upon 2 2. 1 upon 0, not defined. Last come to cot A. Now cot A equal to 1 upon tan A. Cot 0 equal to 1 upon tan 0 equal to not defined. Cot 30 equal to 1 upon tan 30 equal to root 3. Cot 45 equal to 1 upon tan 45 equal to 1. Cot 60 equal to 1 upon tan 60. And cot 9 equal to 1 upon tan 90. That is 0. So in this way we can easily learn the trigonometric table.